Hi guys, good morning. This is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. आज है 26 फरवरी यानी कि 26 Feb and आज है Saturday and I am all ready. Early morning, it's 11:30 and I'm all ready because I'm going for an event which is a Glitterati pop-up event. It's an exhibition basically which is happening at Folly Hall Amethyst. And all those of you who are watching me from Chennai guys, I'm sorry ये वीडियो आपको लेट मिलेगी but you can check and have a look at what is the Glitterati pop-up all about and what kind of stalls do they have, because they have it just for a day. They always have it just for a day. So in case next time when they have an expo and you are following me on Instagram, आपको पता चल जाएगा that their pop-up is coming again and you can plan your day accordingly. So I'm heading there and I'm all ready. Or I don't know how much will I be able to vlog today because वहाँ से आने के बाद we are expecting some guest at home. So उसमें मैं busy हो जाऊँगी. So let's see कैसा जाता है आज का दिन and how much am I able to vlog. So without wasting any time, let's get into the vlog and let's go ahead for Glitterati pop-up. It's a bright sunny day और गर्मी दिन पर दिन बढ़ती जाएगी और मेरे तो सनग्लासेस भी टूट गए गाइस. मुझे नए सनग्लासेस लेने हैं. ये देखिए, ये इसमें मैं रखती थी और यहाँ देखिए, ये जो अब ट्रिप में गई थी ना, दिल्ली ट्रिप में, उस दौरान ये यहाँ से टूट गया. बट आई डोंट ब्लेम एनीबडी क्योंकि ये मैंने ख़रीदे थे, ये विपुल ने मुझे गिफ्ट किए थे 2015 अगस्त में, दैट इज़ ऑन माई बर्थडे. और ये 2015 से 2022 तक चले और क्या चाहिए. एंड एट दैट टाइम इट जस्ट कॉस्टेड मी सम 3200, मतलब 35 के अंदर आ गए थे ये. और 2015 से 2022 तक इन्होंने मेरा साथ दिया एंड आई लव्ड देम. कैट आई के, आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर कैट आई, मेरे फेस पे यही सूट करते हैं. सो अब टाइम टू टेल देम गुड बाय एंड गेट अ न्यू पेयर. सो वीव रीच्ड गाइज, ये है एमेथिस्ट एंड हम जा रहे हैं फॉली हॉल जहाँ पे इवेंट हो रहा है. I love this place because of the greenery here. So meet Kushali guys. She is the person behind Glitterati pop-up, a beautiful person inside out. So here we are. I won't be able to show you all the stalls in one single video, so I will feature my favorites.
It's not plastic. It's rubber mixed with
We don't know exactly. Even I am not able to make out. But seems to be nice, but I find it a little pricey. Pretty one. Pretty, no? This is a runner? Oh, okay, travel mat.
Thank you.
A dining table runner like this would also look good, I think.
We take customized orders for it.
Do check their page guys. They have beautiful bamboo stuff and such affordable prices. You just can't miss this one.
Give me my card.
No, that's to tag you on Instagram. I'm a blogger. Natural stone you said, right? I'm very fond of amethyst. I totally love the dresses here in this stall because they were all branded stuff and original. It's not fake. They're original branded stuff and he was selling it at such affordable prices. And I've decided to do a store tour. I'm planning to go to his store and do a detailed store tour video for you all. So that will come up soon. So stay tuned. Wrapping box. Yeah, so what do you deal with?
We deal in all kind of wedding gift packings, gift hampers, personalized and customized hampers.
Chennai
Yes,
based?
Chennai based.
Okay. It's a nice way, no? किसी को सिक्का देना है, इस पे रख के दे दो.
शादी में मिलने
Yeah.
करते हैं या सभी बारात
Little creative, yeah. Those सिक्के के boxes are all outdated now. Oh, lovely.
You know, at that moment it was about worlds coming together and things like that.
So you depict your emotions basically.
Yes.
That's lovely. That's truly an art, right? There's something really fascinating about these cards, trust me.
I know. These are like almost healing oil.
Show me yours. How pretty. Not just the rings, but also the nails.
Yeah. Just did them yesterday.
All cotton wear, right? So done with glitterati guys और निकल रहे हैं. If you think मैंने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की है, well wait and watch. मैं घर जाके दिखाऊंगी मैं क्या लाई हूँ. And yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, घर आते ही हमने लंच किया. लंच करते ही अब मैं स्टोरीज डालूंगी और स्टोरीज डालते ही मुझे कुछ स्नैक्स की प्रिपरेशंस करनी है so that when the guests come I'm not in a hurry burry and I don't have to spend maximum time in the kitchen. उनके आने से पहले ही 90% of the preparations कर दूंगी ताकि उनके आने के बाद I'm free sitting with them and chatting. So बस अब फटाफट अपनी इंस्टा स्टोरीज डालूंगी all about glitterati pop-up and then I will do my preparations for the guest, that is snacks वगैरह की preparations and then जब गेस्ट आके चले जाएंगे तब मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ. हाय गाइस, सो अभी फ्री हुई हूँ. बज रहे हैं 8 बज चुके हैं. गेस्ट गए थे, उसके बाद मेरी सिस्टर आ गई थी. ममता वॉज हियर सो वी वर स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद हर. उसके बाद मेरा इंस्टा का थोड़ा काम था वो निपटाया. आज जो यूट्यूब वीडियो डालनी थी जो एडिट कर चुकी थी मैं, बट मुझे डालने का पोस्ट करने का टाइम ही नहीं मिला बिकॉज थंबनेल बनाना था और थंबनेल बनाने का मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं था तो मैं कर ही नहीं पाई. आई विल पोस्ट दैट टुमारो. और उसके बाद ये वीडियो जो है ये सम अदर डे आएगी. Anyways, so that happened. So that's it friends. I'm super tired. I thought I'll just end this vlog and I will relax now. I don't want to do anything. Maybe I will watch a web series or something. So that's all for this vlog. I hope you liked watching it and if so please consider to subscribe my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. और हाँ, सो ग्लिटराटी का मैंने आपको दिखाई दिया है. सो व्हेन नेक्स्ट सीजन आएगा तो आपको एक आइडिया होगा कि कैसे कैसे स्टॉल्स you can expect there. So do visit if you're watching from Chennai. So stay tuned until the next vlog friends. See you tomorrow on a new day with a new vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye.